Okay, so welcome to the Contacts and Conversations tutorial, where we'll be breaking down exactly how to add contacts and import contacts that you already have. This will help you to manage your contacts once and, more importantly, get in touch with those contacts. We understand how important it is to communicate with our customers. They're the bedrock of our business. So the first thing you're going to do is to head over to the contact section of your tabs here. We're going to start by creating a contact. Now, there are multiple ways to do this, but I'm going to break down some of the ways right now. The first way is to add them manually. So there's a plus button in the left-hand corner over here, and you can add a contact right here. But I also want to show you this other way. Okay, so let's just come out here. There's a little green icon here, a lightning bolt for quick actions. If you click on this, you can see that you can add a contact, or you can book an appointment, you can send a review request if you connected it to your Google My Business, or you can create an opportunity. So why don't we go ahead, without having to leave this little section, you can go ahead and create a contact. Perfect, nice and simple. You can add there a photo here, a logo, whatever you want. Let's create a contact. Let's just make it up. Call him Billy Bob, okay? Not Bob, Bob. And let's give him an email that actually works so that we can show you live how this is so easy and simple to do. You can change the contact type from a lead to a customer. There's so many things that you can do. You can see here that you can customize this to your heart's content. So let's have a look over here. Oh, I popped out of contacts. Where did he go? Let's add a contact once again. Billy Bob. You can see this is live, so it's good. Let's just make an email that works. Okay. You can add his phone number here, so you can send an SMS. You can change, like I said, either a lead or a customer. Choose their time zones. And also, if you want to, you can put them on a do not disturb for all channels, or do not disturb for specific emails or text messages in case you don't want them receiving any automations you may set up in the back end in the future. So right now, let's go and save this contact, and he will pop up here. Now, you can then, once it's refreshed, you can see that Billy Bob now exists. So our first contact is now in the system, and there's so many things that you can do with this contact. So the first thing you could do is you could add him to a pipeline that you've created, which we'll run through later. We can also add him to a campaign or a workflow, which means we can create automations, etc., with text messages. And we'll show you how to do that later on. We can send him a quick text message or email right here between these two icons. You can add a tag to the contact, specify the type of contact or lead that it is. This is where you can select and delete the contact if you want to. Here are some review requests that you can send them. And the beauty of this is that when you send him a review request, it comes from this contact tab. If you've integrated your Google My Business in the previous videos, Billy Bob here will be sent the exact link that he needs to leave your business that 5-star review. And one of the powerful ways to import and export contacts is by this button here. You have import and export buttons where you already have, if you have a huge list of contacts, you can just import them immediately into the system and start sending out text messages and email marketing campaigns and templates without having to add every single contact manually once again. So that is super powerful. And, you know, I just want to add real quick here that one of my favorite ways of adding contacts, which is automatically, where you don't have to do all this, and that occurs whenever someone fills out a form on your website. It will automatically create a contact, so you don't even have to put their names in and their contact details. The system will automatically do that for you. But we'll go to the form builder and the website builder on upcoming videos very soon. There's also this button here, which is a merge button where you can merge up to 10 contacts into one. Over here, we have a quick search button where if you have thousands of contacts and you can't find the one you're looking for, you can easily search right here in this tab. Not to mention this filtering button, so you can filter all of your contacts by all of this custom and personal information that you have here. It really is very simple. It couldn't be any easier. Okay, so enough of the contacts. Why don't we go into the Conversations tab, where all of your conversations are going to be managed. This is where it starts to get really powerful. Once inside the Conversations tab, you'll see all of your unread messages come up here, right? all of your recent messages starred, and obviously all of your messages. As you can see, it's very self-explanatory. And by the way, if you forget any of what I'm teaching you, and while you're trying this for yourself, you can always click here on the Learn More About Conversations. And this will take you through an entire tutorial and step-by-step walkthrough of what every section does within this tool or this section of our tool. It really is powerful. So if you forget anything, don't worry about it. You can click that. Okay, let me show you how simple it is to start a conversation or to manage. Obviously, over here in this section, this is where you would see all messages that have been going back and forth between your customers. And obviously, the more you have integrated into our system, the better this conversation tab gets, which means all of your Google My Business messages, all of your texts, your emails, and even your Facebook Messenger for your business page all go into this one inbox right here. So you could just come here and see exactly what you need to respond to. And even if you have multiple employees, you can manage what they see. If they see only their chats that they're assigned to, or if they see all the chats, you can also do that right here, which is so simple. Okay, so let us message him. There are multiple ways that you can create a conversation. You can go here and say, create a new message, create a new message. And if you start to type in the contact name, you can see here, Billy Bob exists, and you can continue. Another way you can do it is if within your contacts page, and you've searched for Billy Bob, and you go, oh, where's Billy? There he is. If you click on him here, you say, I really need to send him a message. I'm going to send him, hey, hi, this is BeeSavvy. Let's chat soon. Okay? So that's the subject matter. Hi, hope you are well. Let's do this live. Let's send this to Billy Bob, which obviously I will pick up in my own email account on Google right here. So let's jump onto my email, which you won't see, but what I will do is do my best, internet being helpful. Let me send a response. So I've just seen it. It's just arrived. It says here, hi, hope you are well. Hi, this is BeeSavvy. Let's chat. So I will say, hi there. This is Billy. Thanks for calling. Yes, let's chat ASAP. Okay, so Billy is obviously very excited to communicate with the guy at BeeSavvy, selling him amazing products, which what you will be doing. So I'm going to send that out. And over here, once this is refreshed, or you can even just manually go up here and refresh. It's already popped up. Hi, this is Billy. So if you click on these three tabs over here in the middle, you can see your conversations pop up right in front of you. So you can keep an eye on this here with everything. Here's your thread. Hi, hope you are well. Billy Bob responds, hi, this is Billy. Thanks for calling. Let's chat ASAP. So there's one of two things you could do right from within this conversation contact page, or let's jump back to conversations page, and you will see here that it is unread. Now this will stay unread until you do one specific thing, which is to mark it as read. So you have to manually mark this as read. Even if you've read the email and opened it here, if you want it to disappear from this section, you must mark it as read. So what you can do here is you can respond right within your conversation. So all of your conversations, if there's Billy Bob and there's John Smith or whoever it is that you're contacting, everything will pop up here. You can either text message him back or email him, and you can see how powerful this tool can get. You can keep on top of your customers and the conversations so easily. But if you want it to move along, you must mark it as read. Once you mark it as read, it's disappeared from unread. So it will then move on to recents. Or you can click on all and he'll pop up here as well. And so you can send a quick response right here within this window. And you can see the entire thread of what's been sent so that you can keep on top of your customers. It's so easy to go from SMS to email. It's literally just one click away. Now you can send Billy Bob an email or a text right within here. So I would highly recommend testing out this conversations section, right? By integrating your Facebook, your Google, and your Instagram, and try sending in messages after they've been integrated, just like we did here live. You'll see a Facebook icon will pop up here, a Google icon will pop up as well, And if you connect your Instagram, even an Instagram DM icon will pop up where you can message everyone back right through our platform here. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope that it's inspired you to try it out and to make this work for you. I know it's going to be a very powerful weapon in communicating and connecting and being able to keep your customers informed, and for you to be able to manage them along your sales pipeline that you're creating. Until the next time, I'll see you on the next video, and thanks for watching.